हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द क्लास 5th। ये आपकी ईवीएस की बुक जिसका नेम है अपना परिवेश। इसके 5 चैप्टर्स हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, उनका रिवीजन भी हो गया हमारा और टेस्ट भी ले चुकी हूँ मैं। आज बारी है चैप्टर 6 की। इसकी रीडिंग मैं आज आपको दे रही हूँ। रीडिंग भी आपको करनी है और न्यू वर्ड्स मिलेंगे यानी वर्ड मीनिंग्स, वो भी आपको राइट भी करने हैं, लर्न भी करना है। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आपके पास बुक है तो आप डायरेक्ट बुक से रीडिंग लगा सकते हो, अगर नहीं है तो वीडियो से भी कर सकते हो। Chapter name is Seed Becomes Plant. In your previous classes, you must have read about plants. They are very useful for us. Different parts of the plants are used as food in different ways. Think and answer. The names of some food items are given below in the table. Write the name of that part of the plant which we use as food. Name of food item. Name of part of the plant used as food. Rice, apple, carrot, pearl millet, radish, onion. Formation of a new plant. Mono, goody. Look under the neem tree and in pot of basil plant. Many new and small plants can be seen. Goody. Yes, brother. There are so many new plants. From where they have come? Who brought them here? Then Monu answered, Goody, these plants grow themselves during rainy season. Goody. Brother, I have plucked one of these plants. Look, what is visible in this? Monu. Goody, this is a chickpea plant. Below we can see root coming out from chickpea. These roots give rise to the plant. Put it back in the soil. Germination of a seed. On the festival of Bach Baras, Vats Dwadashi, Goody's mother soaked moong, green gram, moat bean, and chana, chickpea, in water and then tied them in a cotton cloth. On the next day, when these moong, moat, and chana was taken out for worship, Goody asked her mother, Goody, mother, what is the thread like white outgrowth coming out from green grams? Mother, this is a root. Later, this will form the complete plant. Do the following activity and record your observation. Take a bowl, put some grains of moong, chana and moat. Fill this bowl with the water. In second bowl, place a wet cotton cloth, and then on that cloth put some grains of moong, chana and moat. And now cover the grain with wet cloth. In third bowl, put only grains of green gram, chickpea and moat. Every day record the bowl's observation and germination of these grains in your notebook. Think and answer the following questions. ये आपको क्वेश्चन बाद में कराऊंगी मैं, ये अभी रीडिंग का वक्त इसका नहीं है. Observe and note down the result. On नवरात्र स्थापना, you must have seen white millet यानी ज्वार are grown temples and houses. Take a transparent container and put different types seeds in it. Now cover it with the soil. Observe the changes that occur during the process of germination. Do discuss, analyze and record in your notebook. Plants that grow without seeds. You must have seen sprouts on potatoes during rainy season. If you place this potato in a pot and cover it with the soil, then it will grow into plant. In the same way, if you put a leaf of Bromelium Patharchitta in a pot filled with soil, then this will also grow into a plant. Instruction for the teacher. An effort can be made to develop the understanding of the students towards formation of the plumule and radicle during germination, how the germinating seedling uses the food stored in it, favorable conditions for germination of a seed and the different time duration required for the germination of different kinds of seeds. Points for discussion. Observe different plants in your surroundings and discuss which plant grow without a seed. From which part of the plant do they grow? Harka, took a twig of mint plant along with its root and buried it in a damp soil in his garden. After a few days, he saw that there are many new mint plants that have grown in that place. At Mina's house, there was a money plant growing in a bottle with water in it. Looking at her, asked, "How this plant is grown like this?" Mina explained that if we put a twig along with bud in a bottle containing water or in a pot, it will grow into a plant. Let us find out from which part of the plant a new plant can be grown. Dispersal of seeds. Mira saw a people plant on the wall of the temple and started thinking that who must have grown this plant over here. Mira asked her father. Father told Mira that seeds of plants reach there through some birds, pigeons, etc. Similarly, dispersal of seeds takes place through wind, flowing water, and by sticking on the beak of birds and animals' body parts. This is known as dispersal of seeds or dispersion. Think and answer the following. Where have you seen plants growing at places other than the ground? Plants from foreign countries. Many people travel from our country to foreign countries for business purposes. During their visits, they take many plants and animals from one place to another. The plants which are mentioned further in the table have come to India from different countries. When people settle down in other countries from their native countries, then the plants and animals also moved with them. Read the table given below and know that which plant came from where. Coffee, Africa. Ladyfinger, Africa. Cauliflower, Europe. Peas, Europe. Next. In your notebook, ये भी बाद में करेंगे हम. रीडिंग में सिर्फ चैप्टर रीड करेंगे. तो हमारा चैप्टर रीडिंग हो गया है. बाकी सब आपको रीड करना है, जो मैंने छोड़ा है वो भी और पूरा चैप्टर भी. आपका आज का वर्क है इसको रीड करना. और न्यू वर्ड्स मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, ये देखिए आपके न्यू वर्ड्स. इनको आपको रीड भी करना है एंड राइट भी करना है. ये आपका न्यू चैप्टर है तो न्यू पेज से स्टार्ट करोगे आप. चैप्टर 6 सीड बिकम्स प्लांट. वर्ड मीनिंग्स. प्लक, PLUCK, प्लक यानी उखाड़ना. GERMINATION जमीनेशन यानी अंकुरन. डिस्पर्सल यानी प्रसार. ग्राफ्टिंग यानी कलम बांधने का काम. आउटग्रोथ यानी परिणाम. ग्रेन्स यानी अनाज. स्प्राउटेड यानी अंकुरित. ऑब्जर्व यानी निरीक्षण. फेवरेबल यानी अनुकूल. रिक्वायर्ड यानी अपेक्षित. ट्रांसपेरेंट यानी पारदर्शक. कंटेनर यानी पात्र या बर्तन. ऑकर यानी पाए जाते हैं. डैम्प यानी नम. नेटिव यानी देसी. पर्पज़ यानी उद्देश्य. फर्दर यानी आगे की. और कॉन्टिनेंट्स यानी महाद्वीपों. ये सब आपको लर्न करके रखने हैं ताकि जब मैं चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करूँ, जब मतलब अगले वीडियो से ही आपका चैप्टर एक्सप्लेनिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो तब आपको इन वर्ड्स की बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. थैंक यू.